your question is square root of 4356 into square root of question mark is equal to 11, and then left hand side it is also divided by square root of 6084. This is a very difficult question only if you don't know how to find the square root. Suppose I want to know how to find the square root. Now see here, sir. See here. It is ending with 6. If it is ending with 6, answer should end with either 4, because 4 square will end with 6 or 6 square will end with 6. Answer should end with either 4 or answer should end with 6. That is first statement, right? Answer should end with 4 or answer should end with 6. Similarly, can I say that 43 lies between 6 square and 7 square? Smallest number is 6 square, 6. Answer is either 64 or 66. You took the smaller number 6, multiply with next number 7. 6 into 7 you got 42. Is 43 greater than 42 or less than 42? This 43 is greater than 42. So answer is the greater number. That means the square root of 4356 is 66. People who missed out yesterday's class, I recapped it, right? In fact, I explained it for the first time for you. Similarly, find the square root of 6084. Within 2 seconds, you can find it as 13. Right hand side is 11. 11 into 1, 11 into 6. 6 into 1, 6 into 13. Square root of question mark is 13. Question mark is 13 square, 169. A very difficult question it will be if you don't know to find the square root. But if you know to find the square root, you cannot ask a better easy question than this, sir. Very easy question if you know how to find the square root. I keep repeating my statement to all my dear students. Yesterday's class you have missed it. That means something you have missed it, sir. I cannot explain beyond this statement. You have definitely missed out something if you have missed out your yesterday's class. I believe that you are clear how the answer is 169 for this question. Very easy once you understand it. Very easy it will be. I hope idea is clear. Idea should be very clear for you people. Suppose till now we solved many questions without using answer options. Let us take some questions with answer options. Suppose for example 123 into 456 into 781. In fact, I taught you how to multiply 3 digit into 3 digit number. You can use that technique. Answer options are 4380 4728, 4728, 5380, 4728, 5380, 4528, right? It is 4528. Next it is 3380, 4958, right? It is 4958. Now see here, sir. This is a very bigger lengthy multiplication. If the question is very tricky or bigger like this, if it is taking too much of time to solve this kind of questions, then definitely the examination paper setter will make it something easy in some other way. That some other way might be in answer options. That is what I explained in 2 to 3 questions in my morning class also. Apply digital sum. If I apply digital sum for this question, 123 digital sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 456 is 4 plus 5 10. Sorry, 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 digital sum is 1 plus 5 6. Right? 1 plus 5 6. So it is 6 into 6. I hope it is clear. 6 into 6. 781 digital sum. I taught you in the morning class. Whenever you have digital sum, you can delete 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. You are left only with 7, right? You are left only with 7. If I further simplify, can I say that 6 into 6 is 36. 36 digital sum is 9. 9 into 7 is what is left out. And I also told in the morning class, 9 multiplied by any number digital sum is always 9. You should know all these things, sir. Definitely I expect my students should know all these concepts, so that then only the problem becomes very easy. You can also include another options which will be a common option called as none of these, right? Which I forgot to write it. Now if I simplify further, if I simplify digital sum in the answer option, 7 plus 2 is 9, ignore it. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 4 is 19. In 19 digital sum is 9, ignore 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. You got the digital sum 9. This may be the correct answer. Check with the other options. 7 and 2 is 9 cancelled. 5 plus 4 is 9 cancelled. 3 plus 8 11. 11 plus 8 is 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 digital sum is 1. Not correct. Incorrect. Next, 4 plus 5 is 9 cancelled. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 2 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 digital sum is 8. Not equal to 9. Ruled out. 3 plus 3. Okay, 9 is cancelled. 5 plus 4 9 is cancelled. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 8 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 is 4, not equal to 9. This should be the correct answer. Yes, question seems difficult, but I taught you multiple methods, and I also told you that do not get married to one particular concept. There might be multiple concepts for a single question. Please attack with multiple concepts. Each and every problem I am trying to teach you at least minimum one method, or I am trying to implement different methodologies, so that my students will not face difficulty in the examination hall, and probably they will use some methods what we discussed and get the answer little faster. Idea clear, sir? Answer for this question is option A. Answer for this question is option A. Suppose, see this question, 2011 into 97 plus 50123 is equal to question mark into 743. Question mark into 743. Options are 340, 330, 350, 303, 345. 303 and 345. Listen carefully, sir. These are your answer options. Can I say that if I apply digital sum, for example, right? If I apply digital sum, 2011 digital sum is 4. In 97, 9 can be deleted. 4 into 7 is 28. 28 is 2 plus 8, 10. 10 is 1. This entire digital sum is 1. Plus this 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 can be deleted. You are left with 2. Right hand side, it is question mark into 7 plus 3, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 is 5. Now what you have here is 3 is equal to question mark into 5, right? 3 is equal to question mark into 5. Can I say that if I substitute my first option 340, if I substitute my first option 340, can I say that 340 digital sum is 7. So it is 3 is equal to 7 into 5. 7 into 5 is 35. 35 digital sum is 8. It is not equal to 3. That cannot be the right answer. 330 if I take, 330 digital sum is 6. So it is 3 is equal to 6 into 5. 6 into 5 is 30, which is giving the digital sum 3. This may be the right answer. Similarly, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 into 5 is 40. 40 digital sum is 4. It is not the right answer. 303. 303 digital sum is again 6. So this also might be the right answer. And then you are left only with 345. 345 digital sum is again 3. This also might be the right answer, right? This also might be the right answer. I believe that it is clear, sir. Sorry, 345 is not possible, I think. Let me check last option. 3 is equal to 3 into 5, 15. 15 digital sum is 6. No, last option is not the right answer. You are left with either option B or option D. Either this should be correct or option D should be correct. Now let us check other way of solving this question. This is by using digital sum, but digital sum did not give me only one answer option. Now I am going on to another beautiful concept called as unit digit, which I also explained in my morning class also, right? Which I also explained in my morning class. Unit digit of this product is 2011. 1 into 7 unit digit is 7. Here the unit digit is 3. 7 plus 3 is 0, right? Unit digit is 0. Here right hand side is question mark into, here the unit digit is 3. That means the question mark unit digit should be how much? 0, because 0 into 3 only will give me unit digit 0. That means 3 not 3 is incorrect. Ruled out it is. Only option is 330. if there are multiple options which are having the same digital sum, so that I will not be able to switch every time. 2011 into 97 plus 50123, this is equal to question mark into 743. Let me use the concept what Satish Kumar is suggesting, odd and even concept. 2011 is an odd number into odd number, this will give me an odd number, plus 50123 is an odd number, so left hand side is odd plus odd, which is even. Left hand side is even number, right hand side also should be even. Something into odd number should give me even number, that something should be an even number. From this logic, good that you thought in that direction, sir. You are very very good in thinking in that direction, but only disadvantage with this is you might have multiple options, right? You might have multiple options. Probably I think Satish Kumar is suggesting me, after using digital sum and eliminating option A, option C, option E, in these two particular answer options, I used unit digit concept. Maybe he is using this concept and telling that question should be an even number. Yes sir, you are absolutely right in thinking. I used unit digit concept, you are using odd and even concept and saying that the answer should be an even number. 330, 303, even number is 330. Very good. I am very happy if you people think like this. I am seriously saying this. Extremely happy. I want you people actually to think like this. In fact, we discussed varieties of shortcuts. One of them is digital sum, but that is not the only one. One of them is unit digit, but that is not the only one again. One of them is odd and even concept, again that is not the only one. Your brain should keep thinking in multiple directions, and I am very happy if you are thinking like this, sir. Extremely proud of you. See this question, sir. Beautiful question again. 311 into 17. Okay, before this question, yesterday I taught you a technique to multiply any number by 11. Suppose for example 17 into 11 I have. Very easily you can say it as, write down the first digit, write down the last digit, middle digit is 1 plus 7, 8. It is 187. I taught you all these things yesterday. Suppose for example I have 234 into 11. Write down the first digit, write down the last digit, middle digits are 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 4, 7. And I actually taught you using the same concept. I taught you how to multiply any number by 12. I taught you by 13, and I told you that it is applicable elsewhere till 19 also, right? I believe that my students are there with me, whoever has attended yesterday's session. Now please see this particular question, sir. Your question is 311 into 17 minus 2482 is equal to question mark, right? Is equal to question mark. Now think logically. One of the ways of solving is, I taught you how to multiply these two numbers. Use that method and you get the answer. Minus 2482, subtract it, get the answer. But same method we will use it again, but let us simplify it to a smaller little extent, so that we will not have this very very bad numbers called as 2482. We will be more interested in having these fancy numbers called as 2500 or something like that. So what I will do is, here I have 2482 with a negative sign, but I want to have a very good number with me, so I will again put minus 18, so that it becomes 2500. If I subtract by 18, I should add the other term by 18, right? I should add the other term by 18, as simple as it can be. Now see here, sir, if I simplify further, 311 into 17, first of all 300 into 17, 17 into 3 is 51, followed by 2 zeros. Then 11 into 17, 11 into 17 I taught you it as 187, right? 11 into 17 I taught you just now as 187. Now for this 187 I should add 18, right? I should add 18. No sir, I am not interested in adding 18. I want to make it a fancy number. Add only 13 and make it as 200. Another 5, keep it as it is. Hold on, keep it as it is. That 5 rupees will not go anywhere. It will be with you only, right? Keep every multiple of 100 in one pocket, so that pocket is beautiful. Another things, extra chillers, keep it in other pocket. Similarly, it is minus 2482 minus 18 is 2500. Can I now say it as 51 minus 25? It is 2600. again another 200 is there, so I got it as 2800. Again another 5 rupees chiller is there, 28.5. Simple, right sir? Why are we interested in multiplying those two original numbers given and subtracting with that original number which looks so bad for me? Let us have fancy numbers. We are interested in making the numbers fancy by using the techniques what we are actually trying to solve from last 3 to 4 classes of simplification.